In this video, we will discuss how to connect WhatsApp with contact from 7. So what's the result? The result is whenever your user submits the form, they will be redirected to WhatsApp with the data they submitted, and they can directly contact with you or chat with you via WhatsApp. So for this tutorial, you will need our Redirection Pro add-on. We already discussed how to install our Ultimate Add-ons Pro version and free version. A link of those videos should pop up on top of this video by now, or also you can find it on the description. So let's go to the tutorial directly. So first of all, you need to go to all add-ons and enable Redirection Pro add-on. So you can see it's already activated here. So you just need to click this button. Make sure the free version is also activated. Now let's create our form. So we name it WhatsApp. So we can keep everything as it is. And now we scroll down and we need to enable this add-on. We select external URL and then we enable this tag support. And from on the URL, so you have to paste like this. So I will paste this message on the description, and you can also find this one on our docs. I'll send the doc link on the description as well. So if you go here, you should see, so this. So let me break it down. So you have to put this URL, then on here you need to put your WhatsApp number. So this will be the number where user will be able to send the data. So this should be your number which you have a WhatsApp or your company's phone number. Now then you have to add this question mark and then add this text. So this text part is optional. If you want to add this, it's up to you. If you don't want to add this, you can ignore this. Now here, all you have to do is put all your form field, which is on top here. Easier option would be like, first you hit save with all your fields. Then you just copy these items from here and you put it here. Now you can keep it like this, or you can give title in front of all of these tags. So name, email,
comma subject, comma, sorry, this should be comma here. For, sorry, it's not phone, it's message. Now, these
naming, these spaces, these colons, these covers, these are all optional. Like however you want the message to go to your WhatsApp, you just add the message like this. So this is not only for WhatsApp. Like if you want to pass this data to any other URL, you just need to replace this WhatsApp URL to your desired URL plus these parameter. So because this is a WhatsApp tutorial, we are just showing how the WhatsApp works, but the process is almost the same. Now let's save this form, and let's copy the short code. Let's publish this on a page. Now let's view the page. Now let's try to submit this form. So this is a subject and this is my message. Now let's submit. Now you can see all your data is here, test message, your name, email address, and so on. Now if the user clicks here, it will open their WhatsApp and they would be able to connect with your WhatsApp account. Now because we added a dummy WhatsApp account, typically it will not open. Like Let me show you. So as you can see, WhatsApp is saying this phone number is not on WhatsApp. So if I had put my actual phone number here, the user would be able to connect with my WhatsApp. So that's how basically the WhatsApp integration works. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.